Hey Brookstone family, I'm Aria.
And I'm Layla.
And this is Brookstone News.
This is the show where we keep you updated on everything happening at Brookstone.
And if you hear something you want to get involved in, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes, we love our volunteers.
So let's get started before the bell rings.
First up, February is Black History Month.
This month is all about celebrating the achievements, history, and the impact of leaders and trailblazers.
From inventors and artists to athletes, educators, and faith leaders, Black history has really shaped the world we live in today.
One person from Black history I really admire is Martin Luther King, someone who used courage and leadership to make a difference for others.
You know what? Same here. I'm inspired by Black leaders who use their gifts to serve, lead, and create change, even when it wasn't easy.
We want to hear from you, Brookstone.
Who from Black history inspires you the most, and why?
Take some time this month to learn and reflect and celebrate together.
Now let's talk about sports, because Brookstone has a lot to celebrate.
First, we want to give a huge shout out to our Brookstone cheerleaders.
They bring the spirit, the energy, and the smiles every single game.
Let's take a look at a video of them doing what they do best.
Okay, that was impressive.
Yeah, I feel ready to cheer on our Brookstone Bulldogs right now.
And speaking of cheering, let's talk about our basketball team.
This team has made Brookstone history in a big way,
They finished the regular season undefeated with an 8-0 overall score.
including a 5-0 record in conference play.
They're also the first team in Brookstone history to earn the first place seed heading into the playoffs.
And on top of that, they were named regular season conference champions, another first for Brookstone.
What an incredible season, full of hard work, teamwork, and determination. And don't forget, more sports are coming this spring.
New seasons, new games, and more chances to cheer really loud.
Be sure to check the athletics page on Brookstone's website to stay up to date.
Because showing school spirit is kind of our thing.
And that brings us to the end of today's Brookstone News.
Thanks for tuning in and being part of our amazing school community.
Remember, celebrate Black History Month and keep on supporting our Bulldogs.
We'll be back soon with more updates, more highlights, and more excitement.
Same time, same place,
Right here on Brookstone News.